Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial component for anyone relying on their cognitive TPG DLXi direct thermal label printer, the ABLEGRID AC-DC adapter. This particular power supply cord is designed as a direct replacement for models like the DBD24-2085 G1P, G1S, and G1E, ensuring your label printing operations remain uninterrupted and efficient. One of the immediate assurances this ABLEGRID brand product offers is that it consists of tested units, confirmed to be in great working condition. This isn't just a generic power brick, it's a specifically engineered replacement that aims to meet or even exceed the performance of the original. For users who have experienced issues with their existing power supply, or simply need a reliable backup, this aspect provides significant peace of mind. A key piece of advice for potential buyers, which the manufacturer rightly emphasizes, is to meticulously check your printer model against the listing. While it's designed for the cognitive TPG DLXi series, confirming the exact model number ensures perfect compatibility and avoids any potential headaches down the line. This attention to detail is vital when dealing with specialized equipment. The versatility of this adapter is another standout feature. With a worldwide input voltage range of 100-240 VAC at 50-60 Hz, it's truly a global solution. Whether you're operating in different regions or simply need a power supply that can handle varying electrical standards, this adapter is built to adapt. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses with international operations or individuals who travel with their equipment. Beyond just providing power, the ABLEGRID adapter incorporates essential safety features. It comes equipped with OVP over voltage output protection, OCP over current output protection, and SCP short circuit output protection. These protections are not just buzzwords. They are critical safeguards designed to protect your valuable cognitive TPG DLXi printer from potential electrical damage. Overvoltage protection prevents surges from frying your printer's sensitive electronics. Overcurrent protection ensures that too much power isn't drawn, and short-circuit protection acts as a fail-safe against wiring mishaps. These layers of security contribute significantly to the longevity and reliable operation of your label printer. In essence, the ABLEGRID AC-DC adapter presents itself as a highly dependable and safe power solution for the cognitive TPG DLXi series of direct thermal label printers. Its focus on tested reliability, global compatibility, and robust safety features makes it a compelling choice for anyone in need of a replacement or an upgrade to their printer's power supply. It's a product that understands the importance of consistent, protected power for critical business tools.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.